Hey guys, it's Petra here from BigIncomeParadise.com, and in this video I would just like to share some of my Pinterest marketing results in 1 week. So actually this is my Pinterest account that I had for many years, probably around 2 or at least 1.5 years, and I didn't do much. I started posting, then I started cheating on Pinterest with Facebook. Okay, so now I'm cheating on Facebook with Pinterest. So I actually started on 11th of March this year, so 2019, and I took a picture of this results a little bit later on that day when I already started pinning. So actually I started with smaller results, like 8 monthly viewers, not 10. And I think I had 27 or 28 followers. So these are already, it already increased because I started pinning. As you can see, I had some pins on there. So my results in 1 week are 1.5K monthly viewers and 47 followers. Now the followers, it's not up there because I'm not doing that, like most people say, follow, unfollow. I'm not doing that, and it's not a good strategy, by the way. But this, come on, 1.5K. I literally expected maybe 100 monthly views, okay, but I have 1,500 monthly viewers in 1 week, okay? So if you want to learn how to use Pinterest for your business, it doesn't matter if you're in affiliate marketing, network marketing, if you're selling something online, you should start using Pinterest because you are going to get crazy good results, but you have to learn how, right? So I would suggest there's going to be a link below to this course, which is called Pin Funnels. So this is the course that I would suggest to anyone, okay? So why? First of all, I just want to share with you a little bit that it says, there are some stats here, why Pinterest is so good for your business. Because there is 93% of pinners, so Pinterest users, that said they use Pinterest to plan for purchases. And 87% of pinners said they've purchased something because of Pinterest. So we can say 80% of people on Pinterest are buyers. Can you say the same thing for Facebook? Probably not, right? So Pinterest is the way to go, okay? Now, like I said, the link is gonna be down below. You can go check everything here, read everything. I'm just gonna show you what you get inside the course. So you're gonna learn how to make amazing lead magnets to attract your targeted audience. You're gonna learn how to get every click to become a lead. Learn our signature viral pin formula. So you're gonna learn their formula to get your pins viral. And you're gonna learn about Pinterest advertising. By the way, if you're from America or any other English-speaking country, or from Italy, Spain, Germany, and Austria, I think, you can use Pinterest ads. By the way, Pinterest ads are really cheap, way cheaper than Facebook. So for all of us who are not from those countries, we cannot use them. So I'm really sad. I'm from Slovenia and I can't use Pinterest ads. If I could, I would definitely invest, okay? So if you're from any of these countries, go test out Pinterest ads, but first learn from this course, okay? So you're gonna learn how to create a Pinterest ad that goes viral and collects leads daily without paying a dime. So then you're gonna learn the capture and convert system to turn leads into paying customers. Now this here, I'm gonna tell you, I paid over $2,000, $2,300, $2,500 into some courses, and they didn't teach me how to turn leads into paying customers. Let me just say that, okay? It's crazy what you get here, a lot of value. So what is also included is how to attract fans and followers and clicks, then how to how to do the pins and Pinterest boards, the whole strategy, then how to stand out of the crowd, Okay, this is super important because if you're doing what everyone's doing, you're not standing out, right? Then adding customized pinnable graphics to your website if you have a website. If you don't, you can still use this because you can use Pinterest to send people to your Facebook, YouTube, whatever, okay? You don't need a website, but you know, if you have it, then use it. Then being a top search result, SEO for account and pins and boards, analytics plus optimizing your results, and automation tools and more. It is only $399. And yes, I said only. Why? Because like I said, I didn't learn as much in other courses that I paid for over $2,000. They didn't bring me results, even though I was consistent, I was doing what they told me, and I didn't have results. This right here is only $399, and you get some bonuses inside, okay? The marketing solved pin funnel that generated 11,000 of profit the first month, okay? That's a bonus. Email swipes, sales on autopilot e-course bundle, detailed Canva tutorial so that you make really great pins that will go viral. 5-day social media jumpstart guide, Pinterest pin ranking, ultimate Pinterest ads masterclass, Facebook members only group for support, updated trainings, and lifetime access. Okay, so you get over $801 worth of bonuses. So total value of this course is $1,200, but you only invest $399 one time, okay? And then you have it for life. So, okay, here are some results they had. 1 million monthly viewers. Now imagine if you would have 1 million monthly viewers. Let me know below, would that help your business? Would it help you to make to generate leads and make sales? 1 million monthly viewers. Let me know below, would that help you? Okay, let me know. So here are some results that the pins that went viral. As you can see, like, this is crazy. Look at those results. Okay, and check out the reviews from other people. So for example, this one said that already improved 30% since yesterday. In one day, 30%, okay, which is a lot. Now, here is the questions and answers. And who is PinFunnels for? So who is this, this training for? It's for entrepreneurs, marketers, affiliate marketers, coaches, bloggers, retailers, network marketers, e-commerce, or local brick and mortar store. Okay, so it's basically for everyone. Now, who is this not for? Is basically for those who are not willing to put in the work and who expect results overnight. Okay, do you need a blog? No, you don't, but they do advise if you know, to have it and to use it, okay? And you can go check all of this out, okay? So I'm gonna leave the link below, and I'm gonna show you again this information here. Come on, look at this. So 80% of Pinterest users are buyers. So yeah, get the course. The link is down below. Invest in it now and go check it out and start implementing what you learned. Okay, so thank you for watching this and see you in the next video.